Hey guys, do a quick overview of the SimpleHuman 12-gallon oval-shaped trash can, and this one is actually made of stainless steel exterior. I like this one compared to some of the old models is because of the new design. I'll show you guys in a little bit. So of course, all the SimpleHuman trash cans comes with 10-year warranty, and this one actually came with I think a sample liner. So we got this one to replace our really old and outdated plastic, like crappy recycle trash can that we have over here in our house. Excuse me. So of course it features the foot pedestal, so just like it requires very little effort to open the top, and of course silent closing, so very quiet. And of course, compared to this, the reason I need to replace this is because every time my cat jumps on top of this, it just opens that, which is no good. So it's not cat proof, and this one is cat proof. Another reason I really like it, as I mentioned earlier, is compared to some of their other design, the older design, which features a separate here. So this is a trial trash bag. I think it's a 12-gallon trash bag. So on the side, so their old design had another, I guess, plastic little holder inside. So how you do it, or I mean how you replace it, is that you have to take the plastic container out and then put the trash bag onto the plastic container and then put it in. And this one, the reason it's so good is because they integrated this top closure mechanism. So this one actually just holds the plastic bag in place, and then it wouldn't slide down, and it actually increases the interior space quite a lot. Also, it doesn't waste any space because this entire space is going to be used for the trash holding. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a trash bag in and just take a look at how it fits, and we'll conclude this quick overview of the SimpleHuman's trash can. Okay. I'm gonna leave my phone on the side and put the trash bag in.